नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। आफ्टर अ पॉजिटिव स्टार्ट, ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस गेव अप अर्ली गेन्स and closed lower on Wednesday. The Nasdaq declined by 0.37%, the S&P 500 slipped 0.27%, while the Dow ended nearly flat. Technically, the major trend of the S&P 500 is bullish as it is quoting above its crucial moving averages. Talking about Brent crude surged over 6% on Wednesday, marking its biggest single-day gain since April 9, 2025. Notably, it also broke above its 100-day EMA for the first time since early 2025 April, signaling renewed strength in the trend. Going ahead, the 200-day EMA zone of 71 to $71.3 is likely to act as a key resistance. On the downside, the zone of 68 to $67.7 is expected to provide immediate support. Talking about the US dollar index, the US dollar index slipped by 0.47% on Wednesday. Most noteworthy, the daily RSI slipped below the 40 level, signaling a pickup in the bearish momentum. Going ahead, the 20-day EMA zone of 99.2 to 99.4 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while on the downside, the zone of 98 to 97.8 will act as an immediate support. Talking about Nifty's view, the benchmark index Nifty continues to trade near its 8-month high, reflecting sustained optimism in the broader market. However, over the last three trading sessions, the index has entered a consolidation phase, moving within a narrow range of 25,055 to 25,222 levels. This price action has resulted in the formation of small-bodied candles on the daily chart for three consecutive sessions, signaling a pause in momentum and a lack of clear conviction from both the bulls and bears. This consolidation suggests that the market is currently taking a breather after a recent rally, awaiting fresh triggers for the next leg of the move. Adding to this, the RSI on the daily time frame is also showing signs of exhaustion as it remains range-bound and lacks further upside traction. This indicates reduced strength in the short term despite the index holding at the higher levels. While the Bank Nifty is witnessing profit booking, it's noteworthy that the Nifty IT index has started providing crucial support to the market. The resilience in IT stocks is helping Nifty sustain near its highs and is playing a balancing role as financials take a backseat. आगे जाके निफ्टी के लिए 25,200 टू 25,240 का जोन एक इमीडिएट हर्डल का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 25,240 के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है तो एक रैली देखने को मिल सकती है जो 25,400 तक जा सकता है। वहीं नीचे की तरफ 25,060 टू 25,030 का जोन एक क्रूशियल सपोर्ट होगा इंडेक्स के लिए। अगर इंडेक्स 25,030 के नीचे स्लिप करता है तो 24,900 का लेवल अगला इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट बन सकता है। On the derivative front, the June future surged by 0.2%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series also surged by 0.42%. The 25,200 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 25,300 strike. On the put side, 25,100 has a substantial open interest followed by 25,000 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 0.87. Talking about Bank Nifty is witnessing mild profit booking after hitting a fresh all-time high earlier this week on Monday. Crucial levels की बात करें तो 10-day EMA का जोन 56,150 to 56,100 इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वही ऊपर की तरफ 56,700 to 56,800 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इंपॉर्टेंट हर्डल होगा। Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex is oscillating in a narrow range of 82,240 to 82,783 zones in the last three trading sessions and forming a small body candle which indicates indecisiveness at higher levels. आगे जाके 82,100 to 82,000 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वही ऊपर की तरफ 82,700 to 82,800 का जोन एक इंपॉर्टेंट हर्डल होगा इंडेक्स के लिए। On the derivative front, the weekly future surged by 0.2%. And the open interest of the current series has also surged by 23.96%. The 83,000 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 83,500 strike. On the put side, 82,000 has a substantial open interest followed by an 81,500 strike. The OIPCR is at 0.71. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility gauge India VIX tumbled by 2.48% on Wednesday and currently it is trading below its crucial moving averages. Further, the daily RSI is quoting below the 40 mark and it is in a falling mode. This shows the overall market volatility has decreased significantly. The advance decline ratio tilted in the favor of advances. Talking about the key sectors on Wednesday, the Nifty oil and gas index gave a consolidation breakout on a daily scale. Considering the current chart structure, the index is likely to continue its northward journey. The Nifty IT has outperformed frontline indices for the second consecutive trading session and formed a sizable bullish candle on a daily scale. Most noteworthy, it has surged above its 200-day EMA level for the first time after February 2025. Hence, we believe it is likely to continue its outperformance in the short term. Apart from this, Nifty Pharma, Healthcare and PSE space are likely to continue their outperformance in the short term. Talking about the FI/DI data in the cash segment, FI is sold to the tune of 446 crores, while the DI is bought to the tune of 1,585 crores. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 22.17, as on a net basis they bought 6,475 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.